Okay, this is time for another Eric. Look, I made another video episode. So here now you got the new Pope, and guess who shows up there again? This dickweed. Okay, first of all, that's a CGI composite. You can tell, you can see the line around him. The guy isn't really sitting there. These are computer graphic images, CGI. But let's look. Here's Diane Sawyer, who's also a computer graphic image. If you look at her, you can see that line around her. Either she's not there or the background is not there. But these are both not in the same place at the same time. Unless she's completely fake and the background is completely fake. But it's interesting that the story is shot in a cube. Isn't that interesting? And here's North Korea in a cube. Why did they do that? So let's see some little clips from his trip to North Korea. When you watch the video, they cue in on number 45. What does that equal? That equals 9. But what's more interesting is when they show the ball, which this looks like it's Photoshopped. This is terrible. This is terrible. I mean, you can see it yourself. Okay? I see one guy's hand. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That could be a face. It doesn't matter. That's not important. Let's look at the ball. Where have we seen that ball before? Yes, it represents the planet Saturn, but I know somewhere else where it's represented. And here it is right here. See it right here? And what is that? It's the left pillar, isn't it? These are the 4 points, like you saw at Sandy Hook. So imagine the circle right here, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually you only see 2 of these, but this is the cube, seal of Saturn, seal of Solomon. Here's the dude with an X. You know, the all-seeing eye, you know, whatever. But it's important that you see that, because that is this in that picture. It's that ball. You see it right there. And we see it right there. Right there. Right there. Right here in the left pillar. And here's the next shot. Showing them with the number 23 on. That's death. Let's go over here. What do we see? Of course, black and purple. Only one in Korea with the purple on, right? Well, that's indigo. Indigo is a strong color of Saturn. Just like what this guy's wearing. How about that? Look at that. I wonder if she's Catholic. This is how they described him. RODMAN, renowned man, famous, celebrated, notorious, and legendary. So, let's just keep it simple. Where do we find this biblically? It says, there were once giants in the earth, men of awesome. The same became mighty men which were of old, men of renown. Genesis 6, 1 and 4. RODMAN, renowned, man, famous, celebrated, notorious. Became mighty men which were men of renown, awesome. You see, they're just recreating biblical stories. They put that shit in there. Dennis Rodman's like 7, I think he's 7'2", maybe not that tall. But you know, I mean, compared to me, everybody's a giant. You get it? Are you seeing it? They're recreating the whole fucking story. So just so you get it, I want to show this again. Eric, this video's for you. Ooh. Dope. Hey Eric, guess where I got that? Guess where I got this information? Out of a book. Look at this. I learned how to read from a book, you dumb fuck. Most of the stuff you got to piece together with your head. Oh, read the pre-Mesotoric text, he says. If you read the pre-Mesotoric text, you'll fucking fall asleep. It's like a sleep aid. Pre-Mesotoric sex. Why don't you go read about pre-masochistic sex? You'd be far more exciting. You dope. What an idiot. Nice rug, buddy.